My mom's daily routine.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Smart ESL Path, your place to learn English the smart and easy way. In today's video, I want to share something a bit more personal, my mom's daily routine. It's a simple story about her everyday life, but also a beautiful reminder of love, care, and hard work. So sit back, relax, and listen carefully. You'll not only practice English, but also feel the warmth of family through this story.
Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's begin the video.
Ready? Let's begin. Morning routine. My mom always wakes up very early, at 5:30 sharp every morning. The first thing she does is brush her teeth, wash her face, and make her bed. Then she gets dressed and opens the door to start her small coffee shop at home. She really loves her little shop. It keeps her active and healthy, and she can also earn some money while doing something she enjoys. The very first cup of coffee she makes isn't for herself. It's for Ung Dia and Ung Tantai, our household gods, to pray for a lucky and peaceful day. While selling coffee, my mom loves listening to bolero music, enjoying her breakfast, and chatting with her customers. She knows almost everyone in our neighborhood, and people come not only for her delicious coffee, but also for her kindness and cheerful stories. Coffee, music, and company, that's her perfect morning. Noontime. At noon, my mom closes the coffee shop, cooks lunch, and eats with the family. After lunch, she does a bit of housework, cleaning the floor, washing dishes, and making sure everything is tidy. Then she takes a short nap to recharge for the afternoon. Afternoon and evening. Around 4 p.m., she picks up my nephew from school and prepares some snacks for him. Every Tuesday and Thursday, she takes him to his extra classes. After that, she heads to the local market, buys some fresh ingredients, and comes home to cook dinner for the family. Sometimes when my sister and I come home from work, we all go out for dinner together. Those evenings are my favorite. During dinner, my mom tells funny stories about her customers, and my nephew shares his day at school. The room is always full of laughter and love.
Evening routine.
At the end of the day, my mom takes a shower, gets ready for bed, and usually goes to sleep around 9 p.m. She always says, "Sleeping early helps me feel fresh and ready for another busy morning." Her routine may sound simple, but it's full of love, care, and quiet strength. That's what makes her so special to me. Vocabulary and phrases. Sharp, time. Exactly at a specific time. The shop opens at 6 o'clock sharp. Make the bed, to arrange the blanket and pillows neatly after sleeping. I always make my bed before breakfast. Get dressed, to put on clothes. She got dressed and went to open her shop. Earn money, to get money by working. My mom earns money from her coffee shop.
Household gods, family deities worshipped at home for luck and protection. She offers coffee to the household gods every morning.
Pray for, to ask for something with hope or faith. People pray for health and happiness. Bolero music, a slow, romantic Vietnamese music style. My mom loves listening to bolero music while working.
My mom loves listening to bolero music while working. Chat with someone. To talk in a friendly way. She chats with her customers every day. Neighborhood. The area where you live. Everyone in our neighborhood knows my mom. Kindness. Being friendly and generous. People love her kindness and care. Cheerful, happy, and positive. She always greets people with a cheerful smile. Nap. A short sleep during the day. She takes a nap after lunch. Snacks. Small, light foods eaten between meals. She prepares snacks for my nephew after school. Extra classes. Additional lessons outside regular school hours. My nephew has extra English classes on Tuesday. Local market. A nearby place to buy fresh food or goods. She goes to the local market every evening. Go out for dinner. To eat dinner at a restaurant instead of at home. Sometimes we go out for dinner together. Share. To tell someone about your thoughts or experiences. My nephew shares his stories from school. Laughter. The sound or act of laughing. Our house is always full of laughter. Get ready for bed. To prepare to sleep. I get ready for bed around 9 o'clock. Simple. Easy, not complicated. Her routine is simple, but full of love. Quiet strength. Inner strength shown calmly and gently. She faces each day with quiet strength. Speaking practice. What time does my mom usually wake up? What does she do first after waking up? What kind of shop does she run? Why does she love her coffee shop? What does she do at noon? How does she spend time with her family in the afternoon? Read the questions and pause the video for a few minutes to answer before continue watching and learning from our short answers. Answers. She wakes up very early at 5:30 every morning. She brushes her teeth, washes her face, and makes her bed. She runs a small coffee shop at home because it keeps her active, healthy, and happy. She closes the shop, cooks lunch, and takes a short nap. She picks up her grandson from school and prepares snacks for him. Now, it's your turn to speak. Try answering these same questions about your mom, your dad, or someone special in your family. Pause the video and say your answers out loud. It's one of the best ways to practice English naturally. Thank you so much for listening to this story about my mom's daily routine. It reminds me that love isn't always shown through big words, but through small actions every single day. If you enjoyed this story, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to Smart ESL Path for more heartwarming English stories and easy lessons every week. See you in the next video.
I hope you have checked all our previous videos. If not, then please check it out now. Like, share, and subscribe to Smart ESL Path and upgrade your English today.